Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a prototype using Figma. First, open your Figma design file and switch to the Prototype tab on the right panel. Select the frame you want to start your flow from. Then, drag the blue circle from an element to its destination frame to create a connection. You can choose interaction details like on-click or on-hover to define how users navigate your design. Once you've established basic connections, it's time to refine your interactions. After dragging a connection, a pop-up menu appears where you can specify the interaction details. Choose an action like Navigate to for screen changes or Open Overlay for pop-ups. Experiment with transition types such as Smart Animate and adjust the duration, perhaps to 300 milliseconds for a polished user experience. Figma offers powerful advanced features to elevate your prototypes. Interactive components allow you to create reusable elements with built-in states, like a button changing on hover. You can also add scrolling to frames, perfect for long pages, by setting the overflow behavior. Explore conditional logic to build more intelligent prototypes that respond to specific user actions, making your designs feel incredibly real. After building your prototype, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Click the Present button in the top right corner to view your prototype in full screen mode and experience it as a user would. Share the prototype link with your team or clients to gather valuable feedback. This iterative process of testing and refining is key to creating an exceptional user experience. Don't forget to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.